Hey everyone, welcome back to our fitness journey. In the world of fitness, there's no place like home. Home workouts offer convenience, comfort, and control over your environment. And today we're unlocking the door to this fitness frontier. Whether you're a gym enthusiast on a rainy day or you're someone who loves the comfort of their own space, this session is for you. So grab your water bottle, clear a bit of floor space, and get started. Before we jump into the exercises, let me give you a quick overview. Today we're embarking on a full-body workout designed to elevate your heart rate, build strength, and infuse a bit of fun into your day. You won't need any fancy equipment for this session. All you need to bring to the table is your enthusiasm and a positive mindset. We'll be moving together at a pace that feels right for you. So let's gear up, get ready, and make each movement count. All right, let's kick things off with a quick warm-up. It's crucial to get our bodies ready for action by increasing our heart rate and preparing our muscles for the workout ahead. So, let's begin with some gentle neck rolls. Just allow your head to roll slowly from one shoulder to the other, feeling the tension release with each roll. Next, let's move to shoulder circles. Stand tall, roll your shoulders up, back, down, and forward in a smooth and controlled motion. This exercise will help to loosen up any tightness in your upper body. Now let's get the lower body involved with some trunk twists. Standing straight, rotate your torso to the left, then to the right, and repeat. This simple exercise is great for warming up your core and improving your mobility. Lastly, let's get the blood flowing with some spot jogging. Lightly jog in place, lifting your knees as high as you can. This will not only warm up your legs, but also gradually increase your heart rate, prepping you for the workout to come. Remember, the goal of a warm-up is not to tire you out, but to prepare your body and mind for the workout. It's about getting in tune with your body and setting the tone for the rest of the workout. Now that we're warmed up, it's time for the main event. Circuit training. This workout style is all about pushing your limits, getting your heart rate up, and working those muscles. We're going to tackle 3 circuits today, each focusing on a different muscle group. Remember, this is your workout, and it's all about what feels good for you. If you need to modify any exercises, that's totally fine. Let's keep our bodies moving and enjoy this fitness journey together. For our first circuit, we're going to target the lower body. This is where we store a lot of our power and strength, so let's tap into that. We'll start with squats. Keep your feet shoulder width apart and lower your body as if you're sitting back into a chair. Keep your chest up, your back straight, and drive through your heels as you stand back up. Next, we'll move on to alternating lunges. Step forward with one foot, lowering your body until your front knee is at a 90-degree angle. Push back up and repeat on the other side. This dynamic movement really engages your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. We'll wrap up the lower body circuit with glute bridges. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Push through your heels to lift your hips off the ground, squeezing your glutes at the top. Lower back down and repeat. You should really feel this one in your glutes and hamstrings. After each circuit, it's important to take a short break. Grab a sip of water, catch your breath, and prepare for the next round. Now let's focus on our upper body. This circuit will help to tone and strengthen your arms, chest, and shoulders. We'll start with push-ups. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart and lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor. Push back up to the starting position. If full push-ups are challenging, you can modify by dropping to your knees. Next, we'll transition to tricep dips. If you have a sturdy chair or step handy, use it. If not, you can perform these on the floor. Keep your hands shoulder width apart and lower your body by bending your elbows until they're at about a 90-degree angle. Then push back up to the starting position. Our final upper body exercise is plank shoulder taps. Start in a high plank position, then lift one hand to tap the opposite shoulder. Alternate sides while keeping your core engaged and your hips as still as possible. This is a great total upper body exercise, working your arms, chest, shoulders, and core. Again, take a short break, hydrate, and prepare for the final circuit. Our last circuit is a cardio blast. This is where we'll really get that heart rate up and burn some calories. We'll start with jumping jacks. Stand with your feet together and your hands at your sides. Jump your feet apart and swing your arms above your head, then jump back to the starting position. Next, we'll do high knees. Stand tall and quickly bring one knee up towards your chest. Then switch and bring the other knee up. Try to get your knees as high as possible and keep the pace quick. We'll finish the cardio circuit with mountain climbers. Start in a high plank position. Bring one knee towards your chest, then quickly switch and bring the other knee forward, like you're running in place. This is a full body exercise that really gets your heart pumping. Fantastic job on the workout. Now let's bring that heart rate down and stretch those muscles. You've pushed through a challenging circuit training workout, and your body deserves a moment to recover and cool down. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. Each workout brings you one step closer to your goals. Keep up the great work, and let's continue this journey together. Fantastic job on the workout. Now let's bring that heart rate down and stretch those muscles. It's time for the cool down, an essential part of any workout routine. This is your moment to bask in the afterglow of your hard work, while also giving your body the care it needs. First, let's do some full body stretches. Reach high above your head, then bend over and touch your toes. Feel the stretch in your back and legs. Now, let's roll up slowly, vertebra by vertebra, until we're standing tall again. Next, let's show some love to our arms and shoulders. Extend your right arm across your chest, hook it with your left arm and hold, then switch arms. Feel the stretch in your shoulders and upper arms. Now, let's stretch out those hard-working legs. Grab your right foot behind you for a quad stretch, then switch to the left. You should feel a gentle pull along the front of your thighs. Finally, let's end with a nice, calm, breathing exercise. Close your eyes, place your hands on your belly, and take a deep, slow breath in. Feel your belly rise, exhale slowly, feeling your belly fall. Inhale positivity, exhale tension. Let's do this a few more times. With each breath, feel your body relax more and more. Take a deep breath, inhale positivity, exhale any tension. Feel that sense of accomplishment. You did amazing. That's a wrap for today's home workout. You've done an amazing job pushing through. And remember, every step counts in this fitness journey. Feel free to return to this video, make it a part of your routine, and see the change unfold. If you enjoyed today's session, show some love with a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and share it around to spread the fitness vibe. Don't forget the notification bell. It'll keep you in the loop for our future workouts. Until next time, stay active and stay healthy.